Hey guys, welcome to another YouTube video in this series, this Photoshop series. So today we'll be looking at the sixth tool, which is the frame tool. This is an amazing addition to Photoshop. It allows you, yes, that's what it does. So there are two shapes, the square and a circle, which you can do. So you can it makes that, or if you want to make a box, empty box separately, you can just click on this and it will make it all, clip it in. You can come here to make adjustments. So you can change the size, you can edit the content and maybe pick another picture. Yes, just like when you're doing mockups. You understand, when you're doing mockups, when you download the mockup, you're asked to double click on a layer which takes you to another tab. You can edit it, put whatever you want. Then after saving it and going back to the previous tab, your edit is complete and it's there. So the same thing goes for this frame tool. And you can also click here to edit. So you can click here and now you can add an outline or a stroke, increase it as much as you want. Yes, then inside or outside, you make your choice. Pretty much you can come here and place if you want to go through the long journey, or you can just click on a picture, drag it and drop it, and it will automatically fill it in, so you don't have to worry about that. So I'm going to show you guys how to create the box without clipping this image in it. Probably you want to make boxes or circles with pictures and beneath this image here. So what you can do is just press Shift and drag. So it creates a shape on its own and you don't have to, it won't clip the background image in it. So you can drag and drop. That's simple, that easy. The same goes for these two. Shift, drag, then you pick your image, drag and drop, and it fills it in immediately. And you can also add your effects, whatever effects you would like to use for each boxes, as you please. Also, when working with this, if you want to resize the image, you can do that. The image will only move, not the box. That's the cool thing about it. Just like InDesign, the image will only move. Then if you want to resize the box, you click on this. Don't click on the image, you click on this, the box, the frame, and it will move. As you can see, this is the part, this gray box here is the image. So me increasing the circle outside of where the image is, it's no longer, you can no longer see the picture because this is where the image is. So if I wanted to fill up this empty space, I'll come here and click on the picture, then I'll drag, and then it fills it up instantly. If you want to move it, you also have to click on this and you move, which it's not going. So I think I'll just click on this totally, yes, then move it. Click on the whole layer when it shows a black outline, then you move it. And you can now change the outline to whatever colors you like. Increase the size as you please, inside or outside, blah blah blah, period. So there you have it, the frame tool key. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Please don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up. I also want to hear what you think, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. See ya.